Hello aviators, welcome to my channel Skybreakers. Thanks for watching my channel RTR preparations related video. Subscribe to my channel to know more about aviations. This video is related to only preparation for the RTR exam. Today I am going to discuss about how to make the procedures to communicate with the ATC. Let's start. If you know about this 4W, then you can communicate with any ATC controller. Force W whom you are calling. For example, if I want to communicate with anyone, first I need to call their name. Same as whenever I would like to communicate with the ATC, I would call the ATC name for conveying my message according to the position of the aircraft. For example, if the aircraft is on the ground, need to call to ground ATC controller, and according to the limitation also, as I explained in previous video. Second W is represented as a who are you, that is your name. I mean your aircraft call sign. For example, Jet Airways 767, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie, etc. Third W is represented where are you, that is your position. I mean where is the aircraft at currently. Fourth W, what do you want, that is what is the reason you called to the ATC. For example, for the taxi instruction or departure clearance or weather deviation clearance, etc. Suppose if you are a salesman, you want to talk to the customer about selling your product. How would you make a call? Same as this 4W. First you call the customer name, then your name, after that from which company you are calling. Finally you will convey the message you call for. Here you can see first W Delhi ground or tower or approach or control. Anything it can be according to your position of aircrafts. And second W your call sign, that is for example I given here Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie. The third W, that is a position of the aircraft, that is I given stand or bay 14. The 4W, what do you want, that is this aircraft need the request taxi instruction. If you know about this 4W, you can easily make the procedures. For example, if you want to request the taxi clearance from the ATC, how will you make the procedures? Here I given. This side is the aircraft communication, other half ATC giving instruction. The aircraft is asking for the taxi instruction, and that is Delhi ground, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie, stand 14, request taxi. In this transmission 4W used. Then ATC will give the clearance what you request for, that is Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie clear to taxi to holding point runway 27, taxi via Charlie Echo and Alpha. So ATC said you to follow his instruction for taxi. Then R/B. The R/B is read back. Whatever ATC given the instruction, you should acknowledge to him. And I given one more example, and here for the takeoff, and here you can see, and one side is the aircrafts and the other side is the ATC controller. Chennai Tower, Emirati 747, runway 28, ready for departure. That is the ATC will give the clearance. Emirati 747 clear for takeoff runway 28. And just you need to read back whatever given the instruction from ATC. That is clear for takeoff runway 28, Emirati 747. This this all about the 4W. If you have any doubt or query, please comment below. I will get back to you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular updates. And if you have any query, and comment below. Happy landing. Thank you.